I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select Quill Forms as a trigger. Now choose a form. Click the Fetch button, then go to your form. Fill it out and submit it to retrieve the data. The data was successfully retrieved after submitting the form. Set action. Search and select an action. Wishlist. Give here the member URL and password. Go to Wishlist, API. Copy the API URL and API key. And paste it here. Authorize it. Authorization is successfully done. Now click on Next. Choose an action. Choose a level. Map the respective fields. Here are advanced features in conditional logic. If you want, you can use it for your own requirement. Click on Next. Finish and save it. Please go to your form, complete it, and submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now go to the Wishlist dashboard. Members. And you can see the data came successfully in the wishlist. Thanks for watching.